So first you need to create R script visuals enable. You have to enable that. Now over here, this placeholder for the visual is created, and at the bottom, R script editor is now available, but it is protected. You cannot do anything over here because right now what Power BI is doing, Power BI has recognized that you have an R application installed in the system, and there is a communication gateway that is now created between R and Power BI. But there is no data set available to R environment. Power BI has not given access to any of the data set to R. So hence the R script editor is blank, and it cannot recognize any data over here. So in order to let it recognize the data, what you can do, you can select, let's say, beds. Okay, you can select bedrooms. You can select, let's say, you can select price. Okay, you can select property type. Okay, you can select square feet. Okay, I will tell you what happens as and when you select all these things. So yeah, you can select bed type and you can select bathrooms. Now see, the moment you start selecting the fields from this data set in Power BI, all this particular part, the R script editor, becomes active. Okay, now you can see that you have those fields available over here, and you have this option, paste or type your script here. So what it did, the moment you made these data sets available, the moment you clicked on this data sets, okay, this data set became available over here. This attribute became available over here. Okay, and Power BI gave access to these data attributes to R. So the moment you selected it, it got added to this data frame data set. Okay, now what it does is that if there is any duplicate data, it removes the duplicate data and create a unique data set. So for example, if you select one more, the moment you select another one more attribute, that would be made available to R, and this will be added to the data set. Okay, see the accommodates. Okay, the moment I select accommodates, it got added to it. Okay, now I will remove it. Okay, so now R can recognize these attributes. So the data set that R is having is for bed, bedroom, price, property type, square feet, bed type, and bathroom. And this data frame is known as data set. Okay. Now if I have to do a plot of, bed underscore type. Okay. So I need to first append it with data set $this. Okay. And if I execute it, now see, you have the histogram created for it. Okay. Now you want to decorate it, right? Means we need to give the values, right? So let's say I want to make the color as Dodger Blue 4. Okay. Now if I execute it, so in order to execute, what I will do, I will select this line and I will click on this run script option here.